What are you doing? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello to you too.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Say anything else? Go away. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello? Where's the pussy cat, Fred? Oh, it's in the pot. Where's the pussy? Where's the pussy cat? She in the pot? Go and have a look. She must be in there. No? Where is she? Go and have another look. What's the pot over there? Go on. Fred, is the pussy in the pot? Fred, the pussy in the pot? Look. Let's go and have a look. Is she in here? Oh, can you see any pussy cat? Come on, find a pussy cat. It's a fat cat stuck in the pot. Oh. Where's the pussy? Let me help. Can you see her? Hello, pussy. Quick, put your head right in, Fred. You come on, you find her. Where is she? Where is she? She must be in there, look. No, where is she? Oh, let's find her. Where's your pussy? I can't. Oh. My hand's stuck, Fred. Who's that good boy? Come here, come.
Wait, yeah.
Come here, Pepper. Don't you like this? Don't you like this? No? Hey. No. Oh, hey. Don't you like this? No. That's it, Georgia.
But they also seem to sort of some trait.
Hey. Oh, don't you like this?
An infectious sense of humour.
Do you like this? Hey.
And I thought, oh, right, it probably plays a part. Lucky.
Whoa!
Doesn't even